The signs of spring are all around us, and I wish that you all could smell what I'm smelling here at the Botanic Gardens at Independence Park here in Baton Rouge. I am smelling this sweet olive. This is an evergreen shrub that actually grows like a tree because it gets about 30 feet in height at a mature growth stage, and it'll have a spread of about 6 to 8 feet once it's fully grown in. But what's great about this right now in this early spring or the end of winter, we've got those beautiful, beautiful fragrant flowers that are growing here on this sweet olive. And we're here in the sensory garden here at the Botanic Gardens, and it's called the sensory garden because it invokes all of your senses. You've got the beauty, you've got the touch of all the different types of plants, especially cool things like lamb's ear that kind of has that soft touch to it. And then we also have edible plants, right? And we hear the winds blowing through here today, and you can hear the birds chirping amongst other things. And of course, there are many plants that stimulate our smell. So all of those 5 senses in a zone that we call this sensory garden here at the Botanic Gardens. So as we get out into our gardens and our landscapes this spring, consider plants that evoke all 5 of the senses, like this very fragrant sweet olive here. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.